Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure crisp chat widget UI for faster response flows. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Crisp account. Navigate to the settings menu on the left sidebar. Select website from the options presented. Scroll down to the chat widget section. Here, you'll find various customization options for your chat widget. Start by adjusting the widget appearance. Choose a color that matches your brand's identity. Next, modify the position of the chat widget on the page. Select from options like bottom right, bottom left, top right, or top left. Now, let's customize the welcome message. Click on the Welcome Message tab. Create a message that resonates with your audience. Keep it friendly and engaging to encourage interaction. Next, configure the response flows. Go to the Response Flows section in the settings. Start building a flow by clicking the New Response Flow button. Use quick replies to create a streamlined experience for users. Set up triggers that will activate these response flows automatically. Consider adding common queries that customers might ask. This will speed up response times significantly. After setting up the response flows, test them to ensure they work seamlessly. Return to the chat settings and focus on notifications. Customize how and when you receive alerts for new messages. This will help you manage your response times effectively. Once you're satisfied with your settings, save all changes. Preview the chat widget on your website to make sure everything looks good. Make adjustments as needed for optimal user experience. Finally, inform your team about the new configurations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.